Hey guys, it's Himani. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. Well, today I am very happy and excited to be sharing this news with you guys that we bought a house in Boston. So we moved to the US back in 2018, lived in Boston for a couple of years, then moved to Columbia in South Carolina for a year and a half, and then moved back to Boston again in 2021. And after living in Boston again for about 2 years, we finally realized that this is the city that we want to be in for a while, and that's when we decided to make the big move of buying a house. Now, house hunting was a tedious process for sure, but we are so happy we finally found the house of our dreams, and now that we have it, the most exciting part for me was to decorate and style our house the way that we wanted to, because your house is truly a reflection of your personality, and I was so excited and so nervous at the same time. So the first step for us was to decide on the style that we wanted to go for. I was honestly quite confused between bohemian vibes and traditional modern aesthetic, but both I and my husband Ashish decided to go for the latter, with some traditional furniture coupled with modern accent pieces. Now, once we had the style in mind, we started shopping for furniture and home decor items, which honestly was a lot of fun. We bought some really nice stuff, and while I was at it, I thought to take you guys along with me and share with you all this process, this journey of me decorating my house. So I thought to create separate videos for different room makeovers and sort of make this whole home decor thing into a series. Today is the first part of the series, and I'm going to show you all how I did my dining room, which honestly turned out to be my favorite room in this whole house. So I hope you enjoy watching this video and find it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you do. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button. You guys know the drill. And now, without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. So this is our dining room, which has these nice big French windows opening to the backyard. But as much as I love this house, I absolutely hate these pink walls in the dining room. It's a very weird orangish pink color, which I just didn't like. And this is probably the only thing that I wanted to change in this house. So we had a couple of things in mind for these walls. We could either paint it in some other color, but Ashish suggested we should just wallpaper it, and I instantly agreed. We found this website, Love vs Design, that offers a wide variety of peel and stick wallpapers, and here you can customize any pattern in any color that you want to. So we first shortlisted and ordered some samples from them to see the quality and which one we would actually like to go for. I really wanted something navy with a light texture, so we ordered some navy samples as well. We tried them on our walls, and once we were sure which one we liked the most, we ordered it in bulk as per the wall measurements. Now we had the wallpaper, but the question was, who would do it? And I volunteered. We were honestly thinking to get some professional help, but then I really wanted to give it a try because it was a peel and stick wallpaper, and this was something I really wanted to do on my own. I started by prepping the walls, following the instructions written on their website. The wallpaper came with a squeegee and a list of things we would be needing to install it. So we went to Home Depot for some supplies like this step stool ladder, X-Acto knife, a level, and some painter's tape. And we would also be needing a pair of scissors and a measuring tape. And now it was time to install the wallpaper. We were honestly so nervous and excited at the same time because this was all very new for us. A level is definitely needed to make sure the lines are straight. So I started by making a straight vertical line on the wall and then lined up my first panel with that line. We also used the painter's tape to make sure the wallpaper stays in place. Then peeled away the backer about 6 inches from the top and started sticking it to the wall. It's also very important to carefully remove all the bubbles with this squeegee. And there we had our first panel, which honestly looked so good and gave me some confidence too. The tricky part, however, was to do the corners that required some careful measurements. And also trimming off this leftover wallpaper at the end of each panel. For this, I ran my X-Acto knife against the squeegee to make a straight cut, and it came off really smoothly. I soon started to enjoy this whole process, and I think I was getting better each time I was installing a new panel. It took me around a day and a half to carefully work my way through all the walls. And this is how the room looks now. I love the color, the texture. This honestly was one of the best decisions we took, and it was such a fun experience. I am so glad I took up this project. Once the room was ready, it was now time to furnish and decorate it. We had ordered this cherry wood dining table from Bob's Furniture that I absolutely loved, but before that we had to place an area rug. The most standard rug size for a 6-seater dining table, I would say, is an 8x10 area rug. I had ordered the stunning Chris Loves Julia rug online that arrived just on time, and it looked even prettier in person. It has an oriental print with a touch of blue, which I thought would go beautifully with the walls. We had also ordered this dresser with mirror that I wanted to use as a sideboard in our dining room. It had the same cherry wood finish and a big mirror I thought would enhance the beauty of the room. Soon the dining table also arrived and it was so pretty. Now that we had the basics, let's dress up the room. I did a lot of shopping from places like Home Goods, Pottery Barn, Home Sense, At Home, collecting so many different pieces. I love collecting antique and earthy looking vessels and vases, and the first vase that I bought for this house was on our Maine trip. We went to this really amazing store called the Maine Potter's Market, where you find unique handmade pieces from different artists. And I got this beautiful piece from there that I eventually decided to use as the centerpiece for my dining table. I also collected these different terracotta vases from different stores. Found this beautiful golden tray that I decided to place on the dresser with some candle holders maybe. I also wanted to get a nice table lamp for the dresser that we eventually found in Home Goods. This golden texture we thought would go really well with the golden tray and the overall ambience of the room. For the 4 stems and flowers, Michael's is my first choice. You get such a wide variety of stems and floral arrangements to choose from. Now, while shopping for 4 stems, I just aim to find something that looks as real as possible. So we got these dried, very natural looking stems for the vase. And now let's decorate. I first arranged the stems in the vase. And decided to place it on this Lazy Susan jute tray that I found in Home Goods. Also placed this super cute crochet mat that my mother-in-law made for me. This is so pretty and gives a beautiful layer and texture. Then placed the vase with the stems in the center. For the dresser, I started by placing this golden tray in the middle and then placed this beautiful Ganesha idol on top of it that one of our friends gifted us. Also found this beautiful candle holders which I placed at the sides. And then I also added these beautiful glass beads that again I found in Home Goods. Then on one side of the dresser, I added the table lamp. And to balance it off, these earthy terracotta vases on the other side. Lastly, we ordered these rug grippers from Amazon. This one is a pack of 40 pieces. You just need to take a piece, peel away one layer of this protective paper, stick it to the corner of your rug, and press the rug down to the floor. Do this for all 4 corners to make sure the rug stays in place. So guys, we are finally done styling the dining room and let me show you the final look. By the way, just an update, I also found this beautiful runner and some jute placemats for the dining table that I placed a few days later just to make it look more complete, and this is how it looks now. So guys, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I absolutely loved filming this video for you guys. I'll soon be back with the next episode of the series where I'll be doing the makeover of another rooms of my house, which is going to be either the living room, the foyer, or the bedroom. Let me know which one you want to see next. And yeah, please share and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture in the small circle over here. And yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.